Nothing better than this big old sausage in the mouth.
I love a good meat piston. Okay, so this is Sarah. We met in a bar in Vancouver with this guy, Alex, and they told me to come to New Zealand and burn a car. So here's the cars that we're burning. We're gonna be fucking legit. Let's do it, Josh. You guys gonna pick me up? Oh shit! Yeah, we got a ride! Woohoo! Sup?
Hey, J-Tree, fuck you.
Guys,
I'm
turning around and then we
That's why we needed to do a practice run.
J-Tree in New Zealand.
Hey guys, J-Tree here on the side of the highway in New Zealand. Just trying to hitch a ride. Oftentimes people ask me, how do I afford to travel so much? At this point I've been to 27 countries in the last 4 years. The truth is, I can't really afford it. That's why I do things like hitchhiking, cook my own food. Sometimes I'll make videos in exchange for accommodation, and that ended up becoming a job for me, which is my main source of income now. So I run a business from Canada, but I also do a little bit of stuff while I travel around. This really helps, but also this is probably one of my favorite things to do. It's a great way to meet people. Probably wouldn't recommend it to a solo female traveler in a lot of countries in the world, but right here in New Zealand, it seems to be very safe. I've met a lot of people doing it, and thought we almost had a ride, but not quite. We'll get it, we'll get it. Hi! Burn a car?
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's a good party. We got these friends here.
Yeah?
We got Peachy here. We got Dan. We got Bo.
What's up, guys? Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Hey, YouTube.
Microwave sandwich.
Oh, who brought the Bologna?
No, man.
We're trying to figure it out.
Who brought Bologna to a barbecue?
Yeah, it looks like something that you're
Bologna.
Doing here?
I'm being a good girl. I'm playing in the dirt with meat. You like meat?
You ever seen a man in a dress with butterfly wings eating meat before? Well, here you go.
fucking lighting fire, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Way she goes. The way she goes.
That bag's melted to the car. Hey, what's up? I'm chilling out here with my friend Marcel. He's from Halifax, and I'm from Regina, Saskatchewan. Where in Halifax are you from?
Anna Ganesha, actually.
Anna Ganesha. Well, here we are in the beautiful mountains of Nelson, New Zealand. We're just shredding at the skate park. Well, unfortunately, I don't have my shoes, so I'm watching him shred. He wants to go to the backpackers. He wants to hit on all the cute German girls, just like me. Just like me. Last day in New Zealand. Say hello, YouTube. Yo, let me tell you a little story. A story that I heard, bruh, about a girl named Flora the Explorer. She was from Germany, living in New Zealand. Christchurch, motherfucker, getting the feeling, Yvonne. Holy shit. Oh man, we gotta fly the drone here. I'm sorry. I have to. Time to fly the drone. This view is too beautiful. Let's do it. Hey! I swear to God, my uncle has a tattoo on his arm and it says New Zealand. So I grew up my whole life hearing stories about New Zealand and how amazing it is. And that's what made me want to travel really bad initially, was hearing these stories of my uncle, and finally I'm here and I get to do it. Yeah. This is one of the first countries I wanted to come to, but this is the 27th country that I visited. This is absolutely incredible. And as much as I love the beautiful lake and the beautiful mountains of New Zealand, I love these amazing people that I just met. Good friends, good people. It's even better. Some people prefer the lakes. It's so cool to be in a wheat field near a beautiful glacier lake in the mountains of New Zealand. Wheat is a very, very big part of the economy in Canada, and I'm from Saskatchewan, surrounded by wheat. On our license plate for our province, we actually have shears of wheat. And I even have one tattooed on my arm here to indicate this home, basically. It's nice, you can find a little piece of home everywhere you go. Oh, sheepy! What's up, guys? I'm on the roadside in New Zealand trying to hitchhike a ride to Queenstown. My van broke down. So we'll see how we do. I'm in front of the Cookie Town factory right now. They made the biggest cookie in the world in the 70s. I found a ride. This guy's the bomb. We're gonna go for a little cruise. Sweet, so I just got out of my last ride and then now I'm meeting Jaden. And we're gonna roll in his dope Pontiac Cruiser here to Tamaroo. Yeah. Fucking A, man. New Zealand hitchhiking adventures of J-Tree. So that guy was so fucking nice. He gave me a beer and we just had the most amazing conversation about life. Both the people that picked me up are from New Zealand. I really love Kiwis, they're great people. Hey! I got picked up, to no surprise, and more New Zealanders picked me up. I have officially found the ugliest sunglasses ever. They make me look like Leela from Futurama.
J-Tree farted in the car and it fucking reeks.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
So I'm on the most difficult part of my journey right now, meaning that I have to stand on this road and try to get a ride. There's not a lot of traffic, so hopefully it goes well, but so far, so good. I got a ride with Liv. And look, our friend Mac is in the back. We're rolling with Mac and Liv. Liv is an architect, she's from Wanaka. Yeah, and she's the fucking raddest Kiwi ever. Buddy, I'm here with the #1 tallest girl in New Zealand. 6 feet tall. She's the #1. Oh, this has been quite the journey through the mountains of New Zealand. I just pretty much went across probably 3/4 of this island. New Zealand's tiny, but it's beautiful. I love it so much. Just been hitchhiking all day in New Zealand. Met nothing but really cool people. Hopefully I get a ride here. Nope, flew right past me, but we'll see what happens. This has been the coolest day, and this is exactly why I traveled. I've encountered the human kindness. Very simply put, it's not necessary that I hitchhike, but I'm doing it out of choice. It's the same reason that I always stay in hostels, is so I can communicate and meet new people and have an interesting experience. And do things like this, you just have to have faith. And this is one of the ultimate lessons that I've learned through traveling, is to have faith in humanity, faith in people, faith in your journey. There's little sheeps all around me right now, and they're singing me a song. Let's see if I can show them to you guys. There you are. I made a comment on a Facebook Live video when I was hitchhiking earlier, saying that it was a lot of solo female travelers, so I assumed that I would get stuck in the town for the night. The funny thing is that I ended up getting picked up by a solo female woman driving in her car, and she's just such a sweetheart. Her partner is a videographer like me, I guess, and he has a company, and that's what he does. Apparently he does some really cool heli skiing shoots. It's just a small world, and it's great. It's amazing that she has so much trust in me to pick me up. See if this guy will pick me up. Oh, not quite, but everyone gives me a good smile when they come by. It's not that hard to get picked up here hitchhiking. It's the easiest hitchhiking experience that I've ever had in my life. So that's something very unique and strange. I think 6.5 hours, and I so far have made the journey in like 7 hours. I've made it 6.5 hours of my way. So I think I should get there pretty quick. At the very least, I get a little horn. Guy gonna pick me up? Oh shit! Yeah, we got a ride! What's up? Oh! Okay, so I just got picked up by my friend Pete here. He's a rad dude. The case of beer fell on my foot when I opened the truck door. Pretty happy I didn't smash it. That would have been a good introduction, eh, Pete?
You want a beer?
Oh, fuck yeah, I want a beer. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah, cheers to New Zealand. Cheers, bro. This is the best ride yet, eh? What do you think?
Not bad.
I like filming shit. I make videos when I travel. It's called The Adventures of J-Tree. And I think this is gonna be the best one I've ever made. I know why I work so hard and sacrifice everything I have just to be here. This is why. Look at this shit. It is fucking incredible. Amazing. So it's cool. I'm actually on my way right now to go see Billy Idol in Queenstown. He's playing this big music festival. And the last 2 people that picked me up, both of them are gonna be at the party, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna meet them there and we're gonna have a good time. He actually told me he has a little piece of land, and if I want to, I'm welcome to come and stay and camp on it, so that's my plan. Right now I'm in one of the most beautiful places I've seen in a long time, man. It's absolutely incredible here. Oh, I didn't really know where to go, but I saw this cool winery, and I just came and met all of these fucking awesome people. What a good end to an amazing fucking day. Woohoo! Hey! 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 Perfecto! Where are you from?
Argentina.
Guyana.
America! Nice.
Spain, Castilla y León.
New Zealand.
Kiwi!
Canada.
Me too! Fuck yeah!
Canada.
Me too!
New Zealand.
Oh, England?
Japan, Argentina, bro.
De Argentina, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
French for the good accent. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
De puta madre.
Oh, Canada!
Oh, sweet, another Canadian. Good morning, guys. I am on a cherry orchard right now, somewhere in New Zealand, very beautiful. And I'm about to head down the road to see Billy fucking Idol, going to a music festival here. I just got a ticket last minute for really cheap, so fuck yeah, let's do it. About to do the New Zealand luge. Some people are winners and some people are losers. What's up, guys? I am looking through the helmet cam. Yeah, just look around. Look at the beautiful view. You get really cool shots. Ready to live? Right now, I'm about to leave New Zealand, and this has been the best trip of my entire life. The people here are so kind and amazing. I honestly have had the best fucking time of my life. I don't know how the hell I could ever stop doing this. You know, I think for the rest of my life, I will always take every chance I can to get out there in the world and to explore. Because there's just so much to see and it's great, and I feel like in some ways I get to go back in time to childhood.